Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to see how to edit a video in computer just like a pro, and this is Clipchamp. I'm going to give you the link in the description. This is an app. This is not an app also. It's a website which is just free, and it just edits like so goodly, and I'm proud of this editing. So first you have to do is just sign up with your account, or just you cannot use it without just accounting yourself in it. Now the home screen will be like this. You'll got so many templates right here, and these are the things I've been making before. These are the videos I have made. This is the brand kit, and this is the template library. So this is kind of look like of Canva, but Canva is not so good, just like this. So first you have to press on this, the plus icon, and then create a video. It's right here. Click on there. It has not been updating for a lot of days, but you can see the homepage is just like so much, really, so very improved. Now you can see there are which audios you have given, which image and which videos, and there's all of the things you gave before. Now we're going to drag and drop our video. It doesn't take times because it's a quite smart video editor. But a quite sad thing is I want this update because I don't think so it can give voice. The voice doesn't work so very goodly, and that's why I'm not really happy about the voice section. And also you cannot give the voice. Very sad. You have to just record your voice, then save it, and then give it on the audio section. You just drag and drop this, and then the voice will be just added, just like this. You can add audio and add text. um it can be worked, but I just love a app with normal voice section that you can just edit the video to and just do the voice with a coolness. Alright, so this is an app, just really good. Home screen, this is the timetable for me. This is the thing which is going to say which time are you in. This is the one who takes you to the straight clip. And now first, I wanted to give this video. I'm sure I'll give it soon to my YouTube channel, Graphic Squad, but I'm not going to give it right now. So you can see this is my homepage. Now we're going to talk about the video editing style. So first you have to click on the this video for to edit it, and then you have to take this thing which will keep you to the clip. Now I'm going to cut this first when the screen recorder was opened. So now I'm going to give it rest like this. Click on the video clip, then just you can see the scissors split S. If you write S, it will be splitted. And for delete, if you write DEL from your computer, and this is for duplicate, Control D, and this is for undo, Control Z, and for redo, if we undo it, and then for redo, this is Control Y. Okay, now just touch this clip for deleting it. Okay, I cannot touch the clip sadly. Alright, it doesn't get touched. Okay, touch it and then drag it and keep it at the first place. Now what you have to do is just very simple work. You have to edit the last, just like I've installed the screen recorder. Now touch on there, just alright, or just okay. Now press stop. this split, or you can say undo, and when the clip will be together, you just cut it like this. You can see this is at the time is on this, and now I've selected it. Now delete it. Now it's a very easy to do the cut and add. Also, this is very easy at doing the other works. You can see here some options: record and create. You can just record both screen and camera, camera recording, screen recording, and text to speech, just like this. You have to give your language in your voice feminine, type or text. Now if you see the preview
Hi guys, I am happy.
on a slow,
Hi guys, I am happy.
and a very slow,
Hi guys, I am happy.
and there are so many, like just area feminine.
Hi guys, I am happy.
This is just so much voice. This is too much. And if you say the save to media, then it will save, then you can add it. Alright, so this is so much better. If you don't want to reveal your real voice, this will be very easy to work with. Now there are the templates. These are the templates just for YouTube. There are YouTube intros. Oh my gosh, these intros are the best intro. Alright, there's so many. Okay, so now let's talk about the other extensions. So there are the music and the SFX. SFX, like they're all the songs. Some of them are pro, just you can see this diamond, and this means it's pro. And the others aren't pro. Okay, it seems it's just a music, but don't you dare to use it because it can be a copyright section for your video. Okay, so there are these ones. These are stock videos. Stock videos are mostly pro. You can see these are all pro. Green screen, and these are the happy Halloween videos. These are the most pro because they give some videos from their stock, and that's why they are so much pro. But the templates I talked about, that's also from their stock, but it's not pro because if everything is pro, then I would never use this. Alright, so this is the stock images. This is so cool. I just love this because the future of creativity. There's so many options, but they are mostly pro. So these are just image. I'd be happy if there were an image, just like if you click on this one. It's me. I just look like a pro, but this looks so good. This is a free add to my media, add to timeline, or anything. Alright, better. Now, another thing is text. There are so many texts. You can use them for making your intro. This is the best thing. Alright, so this is a smoke. This is circle. Make it glow. Quintile. Fireworks. Groovy. Fade. Glitch. Statement. Typewriter. Quick peek. Double line. And it's a large heating. This is an outline shadow. And this is a push through. These are the best text style for me, and I would love to use it as an intro outro because it will just help me. You'll soon see a new intro and outro. Alright. So there are the brand kit, build your brand kit, add a font, add colors, add logos, just so much, so much, so much. But adding a brand kit is just pro. You can see this diamond, Then we have so many graphics. You can just take some solid backgrounds, overlays. What is this? This is a statement. This is a progress bar. They're very cute. And there are some type of stickers. There are many type of stickers. These are the Giphy. We have filters. I'm very sorry. These are There are the filters and transactions. Okay, cancel. Oh, so for the filters and transactions, you have to download. Okay, you can just do the title. Very clean and very good app. And then just simply press and export. And the highest qualities will give you for around like this, the most highest quality, and this will make your video complete. Thanks for watching. Bye.